Can't say anything about my brows. My brows are phenomenal. They're fabulous. They're not even done yet. And they're the Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our eyebrows today. It is your brow fairy godmother here. Today I am showing you guys how to get this eyebrow here. Look how perfect and airbrushed it looks, you guys. It is so feathered. Like, look, would you look at that? You're welcome. So without further ado, if you're ready to whoopity-doo, let's get right into the video. So first, we're going to start off with brushing up our brow hairs. My eyebrows are sort of kind of full there, you know. I mean, I never really had that problem. So we're going to go in with our It's My Raye palette. You guys, this is my favorite palette. You guys should check that out. If you guys own it, let me know what you guys think about it. And I am going to be taking a little thin brush here. I had got this out of a brush collection, so I'm just going to show you guys how thin that is. You know, it's super thin at the end, so I really like that end tip. What I'm going to do, my brows are already combed. I have nothing on my face for like a prep for my brow or anything like that, so we're just gonna go right on in. We're gonna use Brownie Bite, and we're going to start within our base here. I'm gonna start here in the middle. We're just gonna go all the way out. Okay, you need to frame your base first. So we're gonna just make our shape, and we're gonna make it as seamless as possible. We just drag that out. We're gonna connect the line to make sure that end part is here. The reason why we're focusing out here is because we need it to gradually blend all the way in. So we're gonna start with the harshest color out here and blend inward. So we're also going to just do like little strokes, hair-like strokes, as you would with any other brow makeup. So we're just going to get that tail going. Then you're going to start framing the top area here. Making sure everything comes together. So we're starting to get in here, you guys. So you know how you guys use the tip of your nose? The same rule applies. You're just gonna do the same thing on this side. So I barely had anything on there, but I know exactly where I marked it. So hopefully you guys can see that too. So it's very faint, but the good thing is about it, it's faint. Keyword faint. Faint, fade, faint, same thing. So we're gonna start from that, and we're gonna just gradually start our inner way, start from the outer corner, working our way in, dragging it lightly to this line here. So we're just gonna fade it all in like so. See how that frames your eyes? Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. You can't say anything. I'm gonna keep going. So we have our invisible line, so we're just gonna make our way in by shading in and filling in, and keep tapping back in it as much product as you need. A very little goes a long way, as you guys can tell. Like, I just love this way of applying eyeshadow because it looks realistic and it's blended, it's soft, it's opaque, it's everything you need. I mean, powder brows can take a little bit longer, but you know what? I feel like if you take your time, the more time you put into something, the better quality you're gonna get, period. I don't care what you say. So that goes with eyeshadow, that goes with everything. So I'm gonna start making my way up, but I'm gonna start flicking my brush up in like hair strokes. So we're gonna keep brushing up in that area. It's gonna start to slowly build. I'm trying to get that line to connect, like, cause I want it sharp, honey. I live for a sharp brow. Like, brows are everything. Lashes are too, y'all. I miss my eyelash extensions. I just can't keep up with that life, you know. Like, I can't afford it. Like, when I make it, you know, if a girl can afford to get her lashes done, she's made it. I just want to say that. Like, I love lash extensions, and once I get my money up and I'm able to afford that healthy habit for me, child, we're just blending, and we're just gonna also blend with our spoolie. Take our spoolie brush and we're just going to brush up, blend it all in. I like to go back and forth and roughen it up, you know, let it attach to some of those hairs that you got that are real. Brush it all in and then like smooth it. We're almost done, you guys. I know it takes a little while to do, but I can guarantee you, your brows are gonna come out fabulous if you follow these steps. Sharpen that top edge. You are the artist in this. You are the artist in creating your shape. Like, I wanted that sharp. Go back over your edges if you like. I like a more opaque color on my end. I want it real dark. This is just a dark brown shadow, very similar to my hair color. and that's why I like it. Feel free to use whatever shade you feel will be a perfect shade for your brows. Test it out to see. So it's looking real good. I think I need to get into this corner here. It's bugging me, but that's okay. That's what concealer is for. We're gonna go back over our edges just to make sure all our lines are exactly clean and the way we want them to be. Then next step, we're going to take our concealer, and I use I use my LA Girl Pro Conceal. If you guys aren't too familiar with me, if you guys have already seen my channel before, you guys know this is everything. Gotta have it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my little brush, my little angle brush here. This is a Benefit brush here that I got from Ulta. It's just an angled brush like that. I don't know if you guys can see the density on there with the concealer, but I am now going to go over and trace where I need to highlight and concentrate the product. So I am just going to take my little mirror here, and I am going to make the line straight. Perfection and patience, you guys. Patience. See, that's beautiful. Beautiful. And I have to like sharpen the edge, of course, so I'm just gonna blend that with my finger and some of it with the brush. So just blend some of it down, tap it out. And then I'm going to take the leftover product on my brush, and I'm just going to go over the top. Going more straight than anything. And then I'm going to curve it off and cut it with the knife. And then you just blend all the little edges. It's like super duper soft. Look how beautiful that is. Super duper sharp. And I'm just going back in with my finger, just warming up the product and blending for a perfect blend. And there you have it. Powdered brows. You guys, she did it again. Oh my god, back at it again. I'm gonna go back in and I'm just gonna brush everything out. Some people typically like to go back in to put eyebrow gel, or you can put hairspray or hair gel on your brows. You can do whatever you like to do. I just don't want to do that. I'm just being lazy. Really don't feel like it. I actually have Anastasia one, but I can't find it, so I'll revisit some eyebrow gel on another date. But yeah, just had to throw that in there. I don't think nobody can tell me nothing right now. Like, my brows are done. My brows is all that I have on my face right now. I only got just a moisturizer and some sunscreen on my face. This is all I have, and I'm still fine, honey. Okay. Look, I cannot stop looking in the rearview mirror. I'm so cute. Anyways, I'm actually going to be getting ready, so I won't be looking the same in my next video. So I will be sure to link that video up in this little region here, so be sure to click this little link right here if you guys are interested on that. So it's gonna be a makeover transformation, but this is the start process, so I thought I'd give it to y'all. So stay tuned for more videos like this and more beauty videos, fashion and lifestyle. So I'll be here for you guys. I'm actually going to be doing something more of a look and like hair and a style, or makeup and a wig or something like that. It's going to be a look. Whatever it is, everything's going to be a look from now on. So if that is something you guys are interested in, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give the video a huge thumbs up. Be sure to let me know what you guys think about this particular eyeshadow routine here down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for the comments below on my other video and the interaction with my Savage X Fenty try on haul. I will be doing more hauls coming up. My birthday is next month, so I'm gonna have some stuff to look for you guys to watch. I'm so excited. Okay, so I will be doing a haul next month, so I am going to be taking myself on a shopping spree for my birthday. I think that is the best thing that I could do, so you guys just stay tuned for that. Talk to you guys in my next one.